Hi, third grade. Happy Tuesday. It's Miss Boss again. I'm going to go over plant structures and functions with you today. So I'm going to turn my screen around really quick so that you can see what I see. So yesterday I introduced the term structure and functions. So a plant structure is the parts of the plant. So that's like your petals or your flower, the flower petals, the seeds, the roots, the stem, and the leaves. The functions are what each of these parts do. So the roots anchor plants to the soil, they supply water and nutrients, and they store food. The stem supports the top of the plant. They act as a straw to carry the water to the leaves in the flower. The leaves soak in light and air to make food for the plant, and the seeds help the flower restart the life cycle. So like a plant that's full grown, when the seeds in the middle of that flower fall off or get blown by the air, those are what restarts the whole life cycle of a plant over again. The flower and the petals attract animals that pollinate the flowers. So butterflies, bees, all of those things would pollinate the flowers, make them bloom. So the structure are the parts and the functions are what those parts do. So enjoy your learning today and we'll touch base again sometime soon.